Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.